Good morning, class 7, subject maths, chapter 9, chapter name unitary method, exercise 9D, page number 134, 135. Students, now we will see question number first. If 48 men can dig a trench in 14 days, dig means खोदना होता है और ट्रेंच मीन्स गड्ढा, मतलब 48 आदमी एक गड्ढे को 14 डेज में खोदते हैं. Then how long will 28 men take to dig a similar trench? तो 28 में उसी टाइप के गड्ढे को कितने दिन में खोद सकते हैं. सो लेट्स सी, सिंस 48 men dig a trench in 14 days, therefore 1 man. अब आपको यहाँ पे ध्यान देना है, 48 आदमी अगर किसी काम को 14 डेज में कर रहा है तो 1 आदमी के लिए वो टास्क लंबा हो जाएगा, मतलब डेज ज्यादा बढ़ जाएंगे. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, 1 man digs a trench in 48 into 14 इतना हो जाएगा. ओके, देन therefore 28 men dig a trench in 48 into 14 upon 28. Okay, students, 48 into 14 upon 28. So we cut it 14 to by 2 we cut, so it becomes 24 and divided is. So your answer will be 24 days. 48 men dig a trench in 24 days. Now students, we will see next question number 2. Students, now we will see next question number 2. 16 men can dig a field in 30 days. Okay, how many men must be engaged to dig the same field in 24 days? So let's see, 16 men can dig a field in 30 days, or you can say, or 30 days, or in 30 days 16 men dig the field. In 30 days 16 men dig the field. In 1 day, therefore ये फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है, इसी का और करके मैं इसको चेंज कर दिया. ये दिया हुआ है 16 men can dig the field in 30 days. Then in 30 days 16 men digs the field. In 1 day how many men? अब 1 day में नंबर ऑफ मेंस 1 day में काम को कंप्लीट करना है तो आदमी को बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. So here will be what? 30 into 16 means dig the field. Now in how many days? 24 days. In 24 days 30 into 60 upon 24 means dig the field. So here we cut 8 to just 16, 8 3 is 24, by 3 become 10. So 10 into 2, the answer will be 20 men dig the field in 24 days. The answer is 20 men. Okay, student. Now we will see next question number 3. Okay, students. Now we will see next question number 3. 45 cows can graze a field in 13 days. How many cows will graze the same field in 9 days? So students, see here, since in 13 days 45 cows graze the field. In 13 days, how many cows graze the field? 45. Therefore, in 1 day, how many cows graze? 13 into 45. 13 day में 45 काउ फील्ड को चल जाते हैं. तो एक दिन में काउस ज्यादा होंगे तभी तो उसको पूरा चलेंगे. So it will be 13 into 5. More in case of more, it will be multiplied. Cows graze the field. Now, therefore, in 9 days, 13 into 45 upon 9 cows graze the field. So students, 9 and 5 will cut 45. 9 5s are 45. So answer will be 13 into 5 is equal to 65 cows graze the field. This will be answer. Now students, we will see next question number 4. Okay students, now we will see next question number 4. 60 horses can consume a certain quantity of corn in 25 days. In how many days would the same quantity be consumed by 40 horses? Since 60 horses consume the corn in 25 days. Therefore, 1 horse consumes the corn in 25 into 60 days. Therefore, 40 horses consumes the corn 25 into 60 upon 40. So students, 8 to just 16, 8 5s are 40. We cut 5 and here will be also 5 5s are 25. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10 days. This will be answer. 40 horses consume the corn in 10 days. Okay students, now we will see other questions in a next video. Okay, thank you.